Hello everyone, today we're excited to introduce the ultimate barbecue charcoal grill stainless steel folding portable barbecue toolkit, perfect for all your outdoor cooking adventures. This lightweight and compact grill is designed for those who crave the smoky, grilled flavor in meats and vegetables, allowing you to enjoy delicious foods anywhere and anytime. Whether you're planning a picnic, camping trip, tailgating event, or just a night on the patio, this grill has got you covered with its foldable legs for easy transportation and storage, along with comfortable lifting handles for effortless carrying. Crafted from 430 rust-resistant stainless steel, it is heat-resistant and durable, ensuring long-lasting use without deformation. The grill features air ventilation vents on both ends to maintain an even distribution of heat and airflow, while non-slip rubber feet provide stability during use. Included with the grill are a set of tongs and both small and large barbecue wire mesh panels, making it a versatile tool for any outdoor event. Plus, it comes with an easy-to-follow instruction guide for stress-free assembly, so you can focus on enjoying your time with friends and family. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.